time, partner.
Guards to search for and revive the powerful V8 engines of the current supercars or literally NASCAR race cars. Leave it wiring. Meticulous early vehicles. And without the engines started in the jungle will provide nothing sensors to capture. Finally, to all the hardships and the scars in the craftsman's hands. The promise of train parties speed lights the plastic station. And the supercars roar on sun-drenched forest roads. Continuing the story of the resurrection of legendary machines from the ashes.
The contrast here highlights the upgrade. The white Brembo logo is clear, and these drill rotors improve heat dissipation significantly.
Right line. Perfect, we are good to go.